Oh no,
What is wrong?
I cannot find the passports.
The passports? Are they gone?
Passports,
Check.
tickets,
Check. Snacks.
double check.
Trip day. I want to see the ocean. We leave soon.
Everything is ready.
This will be fun.
Yes. Everyone ready?
Ready. Let's go. The trip starts now. Come on. We are really going.
Big trip today.
Hi.
Let's start our adventure. One more suitcase.
There is so much space. Our bags are ready.
Everything looks good.
Time to go.
We are leaving now.
Wow. I am so excited. Everyone get in. I got my seat.
Save space for me. Seatbelts first.
Ready.
Ready too.
Everybody ready?
Yes. Ready.
Let's have a great trip. Airport, here we come.
We are really going.
Let me check everything. Passports. Check.
Good job, Mom.
Tickets. Check.
What is next?
Snacks. Check.
Double check.
Everything looks good.
Great.
Great. No problems today.
This is the best trip ever. Look at all the cars. I see a big bus.
The airport is not far now. We will be there soon.
I see airport signs. We are close now.
Everyone stay ready. The airport is just ahead.
We are here. We made it. The airport is so big.
Airport adventure begins now.
Wow. The airport.
It is huge. Let's get our bags.
Stay close to us. All bags are ready.
Let's go inside. Stay together.
I can't wait to fly. We are going inside. The doors opened.
Welcome to the airport.
Stay close and keep walking.
Wow. Look at that screen. It is so big.
We need to find our check-in desk.
Let's find our flight.
Let's check our flight.
Which desk we need?
Check-in desk 12.
Desk 12. This way.
We found it.
Now we wait.
The line is moving.
It's our turn. Everything is ready. We are doing great. Next, we get our tickets. Tickets are here.
Everything is ready.
Mom? Wait, where are the passports?
What do you mean?
I cannot find them.
The passports? Oh no. Maybe they are in my bag.
I checked everywhere. Did we lose them?
They are not here.
The passports are gone.
What will we do? We must find them.
Maybe we left them in the car. Maybe they are in the SUV.
I checked my bag before we left.
So they could be in the car?
Let's go check right now. I will check the SUV.
Hurry, please.
I hope they are there.
Please find them, Dad.
Please be in the SUV. We need those passports. Where did we park? There it is.
Please be here. Not here. Come on. Maybe in the back seat. Please be here. Look carefully. Wait. I found them.
We found them. All 4 are here. Great news. I need to tell the family.
I found them. The passports are safe. What a relief. The family will be so happy.
Where is Dad?
I hope he found them.
David! I
I found the passports. You found them.
They were in the back seat.
We can still fly. Best news ever. Now we have everything.
We are back on track.
Our trip is saved.
Let's check in. First bag ready. Everything is going well.
We are almost done.
Our trip is back on track.
Last bag.
There go our bags.
Now we can fly.
Everything is ready now.
Here are the passports.
Everything is ready now.
We did it. Our adventure can begin. We have our boarding passes.
We are ready to fly.
We did it!
Our trip is really starting now. Everything is going well now.
This airport is amazing.
We are getting closer. Let's go to our gate.
Look, our airplane. It is so big.
We are almost on board.
Ah.
Our adventure begins very soon.
We are flying. This is amazing.
We made it together. Always check important things before you travel.